Hey teachers, so we are now to show another NCOI for higher teaching position, and this particularly pertains to master teachers, master teacher 3. So as you can see here in the monitor, this is the portfolio assessment form needed for master teacher 3 promotion, specifically for reclassification or even regular ranking kasi parehas lang naman po siya. So, ano yung indicator na ito? This is your indicator, NCOI Indicator 7.5.3. Reflect on the Philippine professional standards for teachers to plan personal professional development goals and assist colleagues in planning and achieving their own goals. So, as master teacher, we should reflect on our PPST, and as one of our job or main of our job is to assist our colleagues. So, dapat maipapakita po natin based from this NCOI and based from the MOVs needed for us to really see na nagawa natin to. So, ito po yung mga MOVs. This third column is the descriptions of the MOVs presented. And the fourth column is the annotation. So, magpakita po tayo ng mga sample MOVs. Ito po ay mga sample lamang na pwede nyo pong maging guide. So, unang MOV ay ang inyong updated IPCRF. So, ito po na indicator ay makikita natin sa ating 2022 to 2023 school year, kung saan nandito po yung mga or andoon po hinihingi ang ating objective. So, ito po ay ang inyong sample IPCRF development plan. So, hanapin nyo na lang po yung sa inyo. Then, an annotation. Then, MOV number 2 is your mid-year review form. I know that you have this po. So, i-attach nyo lang po siya. Then, simple annotation. Then, MOV number 3, ang hindi mawawala na performance monitoring and coaching form. So, as a master teacher, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-ginagawa natin to give our technical assistance to our colleagues. So, ito yung kapakita na hindi lamang tayo nag-reflect, but we also assist teachers in developing their own personal, professional development goals. And we assist them in planning and achieving ng kanilang mga plans also, professional plans. So, maipapakita nyo po yan by means of performance monitoring and coaching form. Then, next, MOV number 4, i-attach lang po dito yung inyong IPCRF development plan for that school year. And MOV number 5, yung certification from the ICT coordinator or school head or focal person in charge that you completed submitting your ESAT and IPCRF development plan. So, ito po yung sample completion form. So, yan po. So, ito lang naman po yung mga simpleng MOVs. Hindi naman po ito mahirap i-prepare. So, I hope natulungan ko kayo na makita or magkaroon ng guide in terms on how you will accomplish or how you will provide MOVs for indicator 7.5.3. So, yan po. I hope nakatulong tayo. God bless and good luck po sa inyong professional journey along your promotion or for your application for reclassification. Good luck.